Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add a door access card to your iPhone using NFC. First, make sure NFC is enabled on your iPhone. On most recent iPhone models, NFC is turned on automatically, so you don't need to change any settings. Next, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. At the bottom of the screen, tap the Automation tab. Now, tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new automation. Scroll down through the list until you find NFC, then tap on it. Next, tap Scan next to NFC tag. Hold your door access card against the back of your iPhone where the NFC reader is located. Wait for the iPhone to detect and scan the NFC tag. Once the card has been recognized, give the NFC tag a name and continue through the setup process by following the on-screen instructions. After completing the automation, you can use it as part of your NFC shortcuts on your iPhone. Keep in mind that this method depends on the type of access system your building uses. Some secure access cards cannot be copied or used directly with an iPhone, so compatibility may vary. That's it. That's how you can set up an NFC automation with your door access card on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.